This is REALME GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google search bar. You can use any search engine that you prefer, but I highly recommend that you go with, well, Google, since it always does its job just fine, at least in my case. At the respective search bar, you gotta type in the Fortnite. So Fortnite APK. Among the search results, you gotta look for either official epicgames.com website or Fortnite.com website will do just fine. So go for the web page that popped first, or go for either of the earlier mentioned websites or URLs. Then confirm the download of the file at the following page, open it. Prior to getting the Epic Games Store installed, it is required that you grant whatever app you use to download it this particular access, that is, install unknown apps. After that, confirm the installation, launch the Epic Games Store, then open the Fortnite respective page, and then hit the install button over here. Now we will wait for a tiny bit for the game to kickstart its download, which will take a good minute or so, but well, still, if you ask me, that's not a whole lot of time, so just wait. As you can see, before starting the Fortnite installation, the system asks that we grant Epic Games Store the same permission we did for the Google Chrome. So now, after this permission is successfully granted, we can proceed with the installation. After the Fortnite is finally installed, you gotta simply launch the game, and in here wait for it to get all remaining updates and resources downloaded. And after that, as you can see, the download size is just under 7 gigabytes, which is, well, a lot. So simply wait for it to finish the update, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.